willkommen zu einem Tag in meinem Leben. Welcome to the channel. So if you have seen almost any of the videos on my channel, you know that I am a 16-year-old American who is living in Germany for a short period of time. Today is Wednesday, March 2nd, and I thought, why not take you guys around on a day in my life? It's 7 a.m. I have school at 8:30, so let's start with my morning routine. Hi everyone, I'm filming this on my phone for a second. It's 7:30 right now, which means I have to leave for school in 30 or 40 minutes because I walk every day. So the rest of my morning basically is just going to consist of me finishing anything I didn't get to yesterday. So I'm just going to check some things off my bucket list, and I'm probably just going to watch a bit of YouTube. Because why not? And of course, drink my chai tea latte. Whew, well that was a day. I threw on a pulley. I meant to say a sweatshirt, but you know, when in Deutschland. I don't have any time to waste though. I'm going out to town with my friend right now, and I'll try and film as much as possible. Those are some clips of my town. Basically, we have a sport assignment, which is like PE, where we have to film ourselves doing an aerobics dance. And there's only so much you can do with an aerobics dance, which we made up today is due tomorrow. So we definitely have to film this right now in public. Wish us luck.
Can we maybe turn it a little more that way? So that... Yeah.
Someone stole our filming location before we could master our art. Hi guys, we finally finished our dance after like 2 hours. We had to get creative and like change locations every scene. Anyway, if you guys want to know where I am, check out the video in the cards. And if I somehow forget, it's my tour video of this town. It's really cute, and we're back where I was. Hi, I'm looking rough right now. I'm just gonna make this quick. It's been a very eventful afternoon, to say the least. The dancing went a lot longer than expected. Anyway, I'm gonna edit and turn in that video right now, and then I am going to cross some other things off my bucket list and then have dinner, and I'll just vlog it. I've officially completed everything that needs to be done for today. My math teacher said that he was going to assign some homework. These are from like 2019, but he hasn't. So now it's time for me to do whatever I want. Yes! Oh, I thought my lighter ran out. Okay, you guys, it's about 11 p.m. I'm just gonna start editing this video now. I really do enjoy making these day in my life vlogs because one, I don't have to like sit down and film a video, I just get to take you guys along with me, and two, it feels, oh, this is gonna sound really depressing, but it feels like I have like a friend with me all day. So if you guys want more living in Germany related content, maybe more like in town, walking around, showing you guys a bit more of like the foreign lifestyle rather than just like my daily routine, please let me know down in the comments. I have some very exciting videos planned coming soon, so I would really appreciate if you guys stay tuned. If you did enjoy this video and want to see others like it, I have a very wide variety of content on my channel and I would appreciate a subscription, but only if you enjoy it, because you know we ain't about those fake fans. Anyway, all my socials are linked down in the description. If you need some tunes to listen to this March, my March playlist is down there, my gram is down there, my Instagram, where I post quite often. If you made it all the way here, thank you for supporting me on my YouTube journey. You mean the world to me. We're like 1 subscriber away from 13,000 right now, so I'm gonna go watch my subscriber count. Good night.